Hi everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Basics.
Today we're talking about something very important, how to talk about your future goals in English.
Whether you're preparing for a job interview, chatting with friends, or setting personal goals, being able to express your plans and ambitions is an essential skill.
We'll teach you vocabulary, grammar, and useful phrases to confidently talk about your future. Let's get started.
To talk about your future goals, it's important to know how to use future tenses. The simple future will. Use will to talk about decisions made at the moment of speaking or predictions. Example, I will study hard to become a doctor. Example, she will travel to Europe next year. The going to future. Use going to talk about planned actions or intentions. Example, I am going to start my own business. Example, they're going to learn Spanish. Present continuous for future. Use the present continuous to describe definite future arrangements. Example, I am meeting my career counselor tomorrow. Example, we are taking a class on public speaking next week.
Knowing which tense to use will make your sentences clearer and more accurate.
Let's learn some vocabulary related to future goals. General vocabulary. Ambition, a strong desire to achieve something. Example, my ambition is to become a teacher. Dream, a goal you deeply wish to achieve. Example, it's my dream to travel the world. Plan, a detailed proposal for achieving a goal. Example, I have a plan to save money for my studies. Career, your professional journey or job. Example, my future career is in technology. Motivation, the reason or drive to achieve something. Example, my family is my motivation to work hard. Specific goals. Education goals, getting a degree, learning a language, taking a course. Example, I am going to complete my master's degree. Career goals, getting a promotion, starting a business, finding a dream job. Example, I will apply for my dream job next year. Personal goals, saving money, improving health, learning a new skill. Example, I want to learn to play the guitar.
Example, my ambition is to become a software engineer. I'm going to learn coding and get certified.
Now, let's learn how to structure sentences when talking about future goals. Starting sentences. I want to. Example, I want to travel to Australia. I plan to. Example, I plan to start my own business. I hope to. Example, I hope to improve my English skills. My goal is to. Example, my goal is to become a published author. I am going to. Example, I am going to take cooking classes. Adding details. Reason, to make my parents proud. Timeline, in the next 2 years. Method, by taking online courses.
Example, I want to improve my public speaking skills by attending workshops next month.
Let's practice some conversations about future goals. Career goals.
What are your future career plans?
I want to work as a graphic designer. I'm going to take a design course next year. Personal goals. Do you have any personal goals?
Yes, I hope to run a marathon someday. I'm starting my training soon. What's your educational goal?
My goal is to get a degree in psychology. I plan to apply to universities next year. Here are phrases you can use in specific situations. Job interviews. In 5 years, I see myself. Example, in 5 years, I see myself leading a team. I am committed to. Example, I am committed to developing my technical skills. Casual conversations. I've always wanted to. Example, I've always wanted to write a book. One day I hope to. Motivational statements. I believe I can achieve. Example, I believe I can achieve my dream of becoming an artist. I'm determined to. Example, I'm determined to succeed in my studies.
Example, I believe I can achieve my goal of learning French by practicing every day.
Writing about your goals can help you organize your thoughts. Example paragraph. My future goal is to become a teacher. I plan to study education at a university next year. I am going to focus on subjects like mathematics and science. I want to teach children because I believe education can change lives. My dream is to work in a school where I can inspire students to learn.
Writing practice will improve your grammar and vocabulary too.
Let's avoid common mistakes when talking about goals. Mixing tenses. Incorrect. I want to be a doctor, and I will studying medicine. Correct. I want to be a doctor, and I will study medicine. Being too vague. Incorrect. I want to be successful. Correct. I want to build a successful career in marketing. Not adding details. Incorrect. I plan to travel. Correct. I plan to travel to Japan next year to experience the culture.
Be specific and use the right tenses for clarity.
Here's a practice exercise for you. Complete the sentences with your own goals. I am going to. I want to.
My goal is to.
In 5 years, I see myself.
Write your answers in the comments.
Talking about your future goals in English helps you connect with others and share your ambitions.
Practice these tips and you'll feel more confident in expressing yourself.
Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.